In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a rupee symbol in Google Sheets. If you're managing data that involves Indian currency, it's essential to have the correct format to ensure clarity and consistency in your documentation. Let's jump in. First, open up your Google Sheet. You can use any existing sheet you have or create a new one for this tutorial. Once you're in your spreadsheet, direct your attention to the range of cells where you'd like to input currency values. For our demonstration, let's highlight cells from D3 to D6. Simply click on D3, hold your mouse button down, and drag it over to D6 to select these cells. Now that your cells are highlighted, move your cursor up to the top menu of Google Sheets and click on Format. The Format menu allows you to alter the appearance and style of text, numbers, and other data in your selected cells. Within the Format menu, you'll see an option labeled Number. Click on it, and a submenu will appear, giving you various pre-formatted styles such as currency, date, time, and more. But for adding the rupee symbol, we're going to customize it a bit further. In the Number submenu, you'll find the option Custom Currency. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a box where we can specify which currency symbol we wish to apply to our selected cells. Next, in the pop-up box, type the term Indian Rupee. Once you start typing, you may notice that Google Sheets auto-suggests options for you to select. Among these suggestions, click on Indian Rupee. This applies the iconic R symbol to your cells, ensuring any numbers entered in these cells are reflected as rupee amounts. After selecting the Indian Rupee, confirm your selection by clicking on the Apply button. Your chosen currency format is now applied across all the selected cells. Notice how the values transform to reflect the Indian Rupee symbol, making your data not only clear, but also correctly formatted for Indian currency. There you have it. You've successfully formatted your selected cells with the rupee symbol. This method can be especially useful if you often handle finances or budgets in Google Sheets and need to make your spreadsheets much more professional and localized for an Indian audience. Thanks for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Google Sheets and other handy tools. See you next time.